subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video tutorial I will show you how you can create a Stripe payment gateway in Laravel. I will tell you step by step process. So step 1, we need to first, this is my live project, so I will implement this and I will tell you step by step process how you have to development the Laravel Step API. You will see I'm going to write my name and email address. See the package name, 1 month, and I'm going to give you the test card number 12240131. And see after submit you see payment complete successfully. So how I understand, you can see if I go to the payment gateway and you can see I have received $5 just now. I have received $5 just now. You can see this is my last time I received this one. So I am going to develop this page. First of all, the secret key, where I will add all these things in the env file. You can see this is I already added, and then next process is to create the table, mysql table, create payment table. So I already created the payment table. You can see this in the database migration, create payment tables. You can see this is my table structure, and now we will go to the next step and we will migrate the so we will migrate these tables. And then what I am going to do now, I am going to create a one view resource. You can see here is my view. I am going to create one file. I put the file name Stripe view page bnad.php. Okay, so I have created this page, and now I will for the shortcut purpose, because if I write all the codes it will take long time, so I am going to copy this code. You see, and I start with the HTML. And here I'm going to put the body. Okay, so my view is this, and now what I'll do, I need to create a one controller. F HTML controller, So as usual I put this stripe view is controller.php. Okay, so I need to go to the route page to routing the this page. So what I do now, we need to go to the stripe payment controller. I just copy this thing. This one. Okay, so what was the our controller name? This is the controller name, and here is the view face. I will add what is our view face name. View face name is stripe view face. Stripe view face. Okay, so I'm going to make the route. Let's see, route get stripe view face, stripe view controller, index. Index, that's enough. So now I'm going to open the URL. What they say? Yeah. Okay, I did not stop the semicolon. Stripe controller face. So I need to add the some style CSS. You can see I have to add these two. One is the public key from the env file, and the another one is the JavaScript file. So I'm going to copy these two, and I'm going to put in the view face. So this public key will come from the env file. From the env it will get the public stripe API key, and you can see I have added the one JavaScript file. So I'm going to create the one JS file. Which one will be the JS file? Will be the card.js. Okay, let's go to create the JS file. In the asset folder JS, so we are going to create here one face card.js. You can see I have already added onecard.js, and from where you will get this file. You can see in my blog I have explanation here. In the you can create your directory. You can see this is the JS file. If I want to go to write this, it will take long time. So I'm just explaining how the Stripe API is working. So now I will take this CSS file. You can see I take this CSS. You can see I will add here I will remove this because I don't have this in the head section. In the head style, I'm going to paste the CSS now. Now let's see how it's going to show you. I think I need to put the JS file. So style card element dot length. You can see better. I think it's better to copy all this file from here and need to put all this file in here. So I think it will be better designed to do this. You can see I have added the template from my code. It's just the simple CSS file. And I have already explained all these things in my blog. Now what you have to do before the start work, we need to use this composer. You have to install this composer in the terminal. So I'm going to show you how you can install this, because this is my root directory, and you will open the terminal and you need to paste it here. You can see I pasted it, and you need to press the enter so it will be installed. Now we already created the payment controller, and we need to create the model. You can see the model name is the payment. So I can show you my model. You can see I have already added my model in the payment. You can see this is the model, and the Stripe view face controller. You can see I have added the payment controller, and this is the composer I already installed. You can see this is the composer. This is the composer, and I have added in the controller this composer. And now what we have to do in this view phase payment controller. Okay, let's see, let's go to the view phase. You can see here is added the card.js file. And now what we will do in this page, we are going to submit. You can see this is my form, and when people will fill all the information, they will press the submit button, so it will redirect to the card frame and from. So I'm going to rename this stripe view face from. So I'm going to adding with the here I'm going to add here in the post method post. You see the stripe view submit and the from will be like this. So it will first in where it will first in the you can see this is my controller phase and the charts. So after submit this, it should be go to the charts phase. So I have added here in the search. So when from will be submitted, so it will come here, and you can see in my blog I have explained public function search. It's the process to get the payment. You can see the response. It's taking the response, and when it will insert database successfully, so it will go to the, you can see I'm going to delete my options on my accounting software. You just need to delete these things so it will work. You can see here it's going to redirect, so I'm going to stop. You can see it will come to the back button. Okay, alright, so this is the I'm going to little explain in the code. You can see this is the stripe composer, and this is the secret key we have added in the env file. You can see this is the secret key, and this is the token. We generated the token, and this is the purchase or the method for the get the payment in the Stripe API. You can see I have already added amount, currency, and token. This is the token, and when it's get the successfully payment, so it will insert into the database. You can see I already have the database. If I go to the PHP my admin, you can see here is the database. Is the payment database, or is the payment let's go into the search payment. You can see this is the payments table after successfully submitted, and it will coming the payment status is success. So you can see when it will successfully process, and it will come here, and it will insert into the database table. So let's see if we try now. You can see this is the problem with the route. Okay, I'm going to stop the semicolon. So it's working fine now. So I need to write my name and email address. See, this is my email, and this is my fake10. I'm going to use the test card C12 24 123 12121. submit. You can see it's making the payment complete successfully. So I think video will be very helpful. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and please like and comments and share the videos.